This weather update from the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel is brought to you by Arctic Heating and Air Conditioning. When you need us, we'll be there. Arctic Heating and Air Conditioning, 931-964-4900.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather today.
All right, folks, happy Monday to you. Ben Lorna here with you in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, wishing you a great start to the work week as you check out your local forecast. Off the top, raincoats and umbrellas will be needed for a while today. Showers and storms on deck, still in the form of scattered cells across the area. And then we'll be looking at possibly another complex arriving here overnight into early Tuesday, and then just more on and off scattered stuff for the rest of the week. It's kind of going to be one of those true springtime weeks in the Tennessee Valley. Let's hop right into it. Here's the big picture, satellite and radar backing up into Sunday. Notice that big old system off to the north. That's what eventually moved through the area or portions of the area overnight. Now, the leftovers, as we continue through today, we'll continue to see pop-up storms across the area. Those might run into a little bit more energy down toward the Tennessee River and blossom into a decent little thunder bumper over parts of the region, producing again some gusty wind, locally heavy rain. This activity will be with us for a while into the afternoon, and then we settle down. Things are going to clear out, look pretty good for the later afternoon hours across the area and into the evening. But unfortunately, it's not going to stay that way. As we head into early Tuesday morning, here comes another fairly well-organized complex of storms that's going to dive down from the north, work its way across the area. Now, within this system, both what we can expect today and then for tomorrow morning, as you see here, will be heavy rainfall, some gusty wind, and some small to large-sized hail. Not really seeing a tornado threat with this. This is just run-of-the-mill, springtime, classic pop-up thunderstorm activity this morning, and then a line of storms possible here early Tuesday. Might squeeze out a warning or two. Some of these might tend to be from strong to go up to warning criteria. But regardless, we'll be watching this closely as, again, the system moves across the area. Notice when it moves south of the river, kind of runs out of energy and disperses across central Alabama. But until that point, we'll be watching this at least the first half of the day tomorrow. And then again, here comes round number 3 or 4 by this point of seeing more scattered storms that'll carry us from Tuesday into Wednesday. So to reiterate, on again, off again storms this morning, becoming a little bit of a line here into early Tuesday. We'll be watching that closely, and then more scattered storms behind that Tuesday evening and then on through Wednesday. Here's a look at the Day Builder forecast for you as we step through this Monday. Again, notice winds from the southwest, breezy at times between 10 and 15. Our temperatures, though, wipe the sweat from your brow. We'll be warming into the 80s to say the least today. Check this out, 82 in downtown Columbia, 80 in Lawrenceburg. Could see 85 in the shoals across northwest Alabama through the Quad Cities, 84 in downtown Athens this afternoon. The same for folks in Moulton, and around 83, one of the cooler spots, barely by a degree, in Russellville. Most of you low to mid-60s here for tomorrow morning. And here's a check on the next 7 from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. On again, off again rain and storm chances. Past Tuesday afternoon, I think we're looking at more scattered activity, at least through the latter portion of the week. But our temperatures remain warm. We're going to stay put in the low to mid 80s here. We do take a little bit of a step back looking ahead to the weekend as a cold front clips the area, and we do tend to cool just a smidge looking into Saturday and Sunday. But until then, keep the umbrella and the raincoat close by. That is a full look at your forecast. Of course, Kelly is in the midday with the very latest on how this situation is looking as we close into the early morning hours of Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching Tennessee Valley Weather. I'll leave you with a final look at the 7-day forecast. Have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon.